Hi, I'm Laurent, founder and CEO of Edge Overland. And today, I want to show you all the features that we have on our Explorer One rooftop tent. First of all, this is a full aluminium construction. All the sides, all the panels, everything is made of full high-quality aluminium, and it's completely coated with Raptor coating. What does this mean? This means that this is a really solid construction that you can use to go into the woods, that you can use in extreme weather, and it will not get affected basically by anything. To further show you the durability that we built into this tent, you will see on the back we have 4 stainless steel hinges. On the side, we have also stainless steel gas struts. Why we use stainless steel is because it makes it rust-proof. You can be sure that this tent will last you for many years to come. Continuing, you will see we have the hooks for your ladder, where you will put in the ladder. Here we have the holders for the poles that are used with the Rainfly. You will see that as soon as we open up the tent. And right here in the back, we have 2 locks on both sides, which locks the top part, as well as the little hooks that you can also move around to any side, depending which side of the tent you use to put your shoe holder. Because we use T-rails, as you can see here, it means that you can put a roof crossbar on top of this tent, and the roof crossbars will allow you to carry additional luggage. Like, let's say you are taking your surfboard, you are taking your kayak, maybe you want to mount a solar panel on top of your tent. This will allow you to do that. On the tent, we have large doors and windows on each side. I'm saying doors and windows because basically they can be used for both. So, as you can see, we have the mosquito net on the exterior and we have the material on the interior. We do this such that you can then later open up the interior cover and leave the mosquito net always closed so bugs do not get inside. I will explain this a bit in more detail once we get into the tent. The idea with the big windows and the big doors is to promote air circulation and also give you excellent visibility throughout the landscape so you can really enjoy your environment. Just like with any other product that we have, we use the same high quality materials. We use this really thick, special polyurethane cotton blend. This is a really thick material with ripstop weaving, and it's also treated for UV and water resistance. This means you will be safe from the sun and you will be safe from bad weather, you will be safe from high winds, you will be safe from rainfall. You can be sure of that. Continuing on the side, here at the back, we created a pocket. This pocket is specially designed so you can put diesel heater or let's say a gas heater, depending on what you use. You just open it up and you would have the heating pipe coming up and will go into the tent using this little pocket. It will restrict any air coming in at the side of the pipe and also prevent rain from getting into the tent in case you have bad weather. On this side, you can see we have a shoe holder. The shoe holder can be moved to any side, just like the ladder. Let me demonstrate. You can simply remove the ladder like so. And you can go and put it up, let's say, on the side. If you want to use the side door as your access, you do the same procedure as before. And now you have your ladder here, and you can actually climb up in your tent on this side or also on the other side. It really depends on your setup. So to continue, we will now go into the tent and I will show you all the features that we have inside. Let's go in. So here in the interior, we have the windows that I was talking about. You can see we have the mosquito net on the exterior. And here in the interior, we have the actual tent material, just like with any other Edge Overland tent. So you can actually close this and it closes to the top. Why we do this is because then this allows you to actually open it up partially like this. You can also put it in like this, and you can have excellent airflow coming into the tent whilst also maintaining your mosquito net. If we open this up, this will allow you to also open up the mosquito net completely, and then you have a direct access to the exterior, and all of this can be simply rolled up here to the side like this, and you can also hook it up so it's not in the way using these little hooks. It's that simple. Right above the front door, we have this little window here at the top, which can be opened separately. This window will allow you to minimize condensation because you can leave it open during the night and it's in the topmost part of the tent. Rain will not be able to get in here, and you can completely leave it open and it will allow airflow, it will allow air to circulate, and it will prevent condensation from accumulating. As you can see, we have a very large interior. The width of the mattress is 135 centimeters and the length is 210 centimeters. So this is ample room for 2 people, even 3 people if we're talking about a third child maybe. The mattress is a special dual compound mattress. It's 7 centimeters thick. It has 1 high-density foam and 1 memory foam layer. These 2 layers combined create excellent support, so you can be sure you will have a resting sleep. Now, if we look further, we will see that we can actually remove the mattress, and you can see the really thick mattress that we have here. And on the bottom, you will see that we have a nice carpet, marine grade carpet material. On top of this, we have a 1 centimeter thick anti-condensation layer. And on top of that, you have your mattress. Looking towards the inside of the tent from the outside, you have the thick aluminum material, which firstly creates isolation. Then you have the marine grade carpet. Then you have the anti-condensation mat, and then you have the thick mattress. So you can be sure you will be okay even in low temperatures. Here at the back, we have everything carpeted with this marine grade carpeting. It's basically the same carpeting material that we also use on the bottom. This provides additional insulation on top of the aluminum layer, as well as it will allow you to Velcro different things to it because it supports Velcroing. So you can actually accessorize the back of the tent to your liking. Looking further, we will see we have a nice net. This net can be used to store clothing items or bigger items that you want to store during the night. Here we have a multifunctional pocket system, which has 3 individual pockets, 2 smaller ones and 1 larger one, which goes all the way across, as well as a transparent pocket, which will allow you to put in a tablet or a mobile phone, and it's in the optimal visibility point. So if you're sitting here in the bed and you want to watch a movie, this is where you would put your tablet and you would be able to watch your movie while you're camping. Next, we have the charger. This charger connects to a power plug down below on the rooftop tent and provides 4 USB output ports and 3 12-volt DC ports to allow you to charge mobile devices, as well as it allows you to plug in the LED bar that we have here at the top, which is a fully dimmable, warm, cold, and neutral LED bar that can be plugged in here, and it allows you to set the ambience inside of the tent. Also, at the back, we have 2 pockets that you can store various items inside of it during the night. So as you have seen, the Explorer One is a truly awesome tent. Not only due to its robust construction, ready to conquer any terrain, but also due to the protection it offers from the elements, thanks to the premium materials. And to top it all off, the supreme comfort, ease of use, and practicability make it an excellent choice for any adventurer. Happy camping!